I know this summer somebody's going to say, hey, can you possibly bring a dish to our get-together? And you can say, yeah, I'll bring a dish. Oh, hey guys, look what I've got. Broccoli, cauliflower, cold salad. Let's see what it tastes like. Let me taste it. Let me get a bite of everything. Boy, I got a pecan. You want to learn how to make this? It's so easy, so delicious. Cold salad in this hot weather. You need a dish to take somewhere. You want to make this? Come on and watch me. I've got everything chopped. We're going to make it. Let's go. We're going to make broccoli cauliflower salad. It's a cold salad that you put in the fridge after you get it made. And isn't it too hot to cook? So what I have done off camera is I have chopped up 3/4 of a head of cauliflower. I have also chopped up 2 medium-sized heads of broccoli. I've got bacon bits. I have some raisins. I have green onions, and I have red onion. I also have pecans, and I also have a cheese blend. We're going to dump it all in here, and then we're going to mix up our mayonnaise sauce that I'm going to brew, and then we're going to mix it all together. It's so easy, guys. I'd say the hardest part is just chopping up your veggies. So let's get started on just making this up. Now, I think it's very easy. I'm going slower because I'm showing you how I do it. Otherwise, it would be very speedy to make this, because I know this summer somebody's going to say, hey, can you possibly bring a dish to our get-together? And you can say, yeah, I'll bring a dish. And you can bring this. Now, this is a great thing with any kind of pork, barbecue, ribs, that kind of thing. All right, now let me get my raisins in there. If you don't like raisins, you can use cranberries. I'm out of cranberries, or I probably would have put cranberries in this, but I'm out. All right, let me get these little, they don't want to come and get in our salad. All right, they're all out. Let's put our cheese blend in. And onions, green onions, and red onions. I'm going to leave the green part over here. I'm going to leave that for the topper. Now I'm going to bring a cup over here, and we're going to mix up what we're going to make to stir this all together with. Let's see. I usually don't measure, so let's start out with maybe a 1/4 cup of mayo, because I'm telling you guys, I just don't ever measure. Little pepper. This is our little witch's brew, I guess. Little salt and pepper. And now our other ingredient will be about 3 capfuls of vinegar. Now you want to put your mayonnaise on this when you make it. Don't wait until you go to serve it. I know it seems like a lot of sugar, but it's really not. It looks like a lot, but you're covering a lot of territory in here. Now what I do is I take this and I mix it up. And when I mix it up, I can tell if I'm going to need any more ingredients or not. I think we're pretty good, so I'm going to start. And don't try to make this and just pour your sugar on your stuff and then just pour it. You've got to put it together and mix it together first before you dump it in here. Now, do you see how easy this is? And this is so delicious with any meal. I wouldn't eat it for breakfast, of course. Now you can make this as saturated with mayonnaise as you want. And I think we're going to need a little more today. think we're going to need a little more mayonnaise. So we're going to go in, put about maybe another 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Make sure you get everything coated so every piece will taste really good. Now, do you see how easy that was? I'm just going to cover this with some cling wrap, put it in the refrigerator. Please let this get cold for at least an hour, at least 1 hour before you serve it. It tastes so much better when it's cold. All right, so we're done. I may get the last little drop of goodness out of here and just drizzle it on. And I'll get my little green onions and just sprinkle on the top. They really don't show up much with all the green broccoli in there. Now this is a delicious little side dish. And see how quick. The only labor intense in this is chopping up your veggies. Now isn't this easy? And I wish you could just smell it. It smells good. Now let's see if it tastes good. I tell you all the time, taste your food. I'm gonna go down really deep and get a bite. Oh yeah. Make it. Everybody's gonna ask you to make that broccoli cauliflower thing you made. Can you make that again? Can you bring that? It's delicious. Let's get another bite, guys. I'm gonna get a clean fork. Maybe I'll get a shovel instead of a fork. I'm not that hungry. I've had lunch. Now I would like for you to look at this video that I made of the inside of my home. So enjoy this home tour.